Hello, everyone. This is Mahmoud Abouzeid from UC San Diego's Operational Strategic Initiatives, and on today's episode of Everyday AI, we'll explore how GPT can help you quickly create well-structured surveys for gathering feedback from staff, students, or faculty. Whether it's your post-event feedback or policy evaluations, hopefully GPT can make it easier to draft insightful questions. So first of all, we're going to navigate to the general AI assistant since we're not looking for any UCSD specific information. And I want Trident GPT to create a survey for me um, about new administrative policies. So I'm going to copy in this prompt, basically asking it to create 8 survey questions for me to gather feedback on UCSD staff training about new administrative policies. Survey should be a mix of questions, multiple choice, 1 to 5 rating, yes or no, and open-ended questions. I also told it to focus on topics like overall satisfaction, clarity of the material, usefulness of training, um, but that's optional. Let's check these out. Your overall satisfaction, multiple choice, 1 to 5 rating, how clear was the presentation? Is the training session relevant to your job? Most useful, informative, open-ended, multiple choice, another rating question, another open-ended question for suggestions. All right, I'd like to add one more question about how effective the trainer was at facilitating this training. Let's add that. How would you rate the effectiveness of your trainer? All right, that looks good. In just a few minutes, we've demonstrated how Triton GPT can help you generate and refine surveys with ease and speed. With the advanced language capabilities here, you can quickly create effective survey questions, explore different question types, and iterate on your survey design. Thank you for watching.